This brand offers 4 sizes of mini tank water heaters with capacities of from 1 to 6 gallons. They have an attached cord for easy electrical installation, but they use basic glass-lined tank technology. The guarantee on the tanks is not very good when compared to other brands. They have basic electromechanical controls but can be either wall or floor mounted with the included mounting bracket. The units are relatively expensive considering their lack of features. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy.